Hello, my family. Today we're gonna be, well, we're 22 today, but like usual, we're just gonna be dipping on some of this Copenhagen Coke. But I got my Mountain Dew on me. I'm gonna go ahead and take a drink of that. But today we're gonna talk about how I was fishing. Fishing yesterday, the day before yesterday, and the other day. I might be going fishing today, but it's raining and thundering, so I don't know if we'll be able to. But I'm gonna pack the whip and I'll start getting to the store. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's get a little shower real quick. I gotta get my spit real quick. Got the Fanta mud jug today. Yes, the graphics are bad on this. I'm using my phone right now, so just ignore it. But let's see. The first time I went fishing, not the first time, but this year when I was fishing, a few days ago, something like that. But I was out fishing that day. I brought my little friend with me, and my dad and his dad, which we're up here at Kentucky River. Not Kentucky River. I mean, the park up here. They have a little pond up here. And me and my friend caught 2 catfish, right? We had 4 catfish all together. Two blues and 2 channel cats. Which I thought was pretty cool. And my dad brought them home, cleaned them up, ate some bitches. So we the next day we got 1 more catfish, blue cat. Then the next day we had let me focus my camera real quick. Went out there, go down and look.
Hey, do me a favor. Call the Mike and tell him I'm in the bathroom getting sick and I'll call him back in a minute. Tell him I'm in there puking. I'll call him back in a second.
Who?
Mike sounds.
Alright. Tell me sick.
Tell him I'm in the bathroom puking and I'll call him here in a minute. I told you to call him.
Alright. Hold on a second. Hey, is this Mike? Oh, my dad's puking in the bathroom right now. He said he would call you here in a minute. Alright, I'll see you in a minute, buddy. Alright, bye. Stomach hurts. Me too. Need to get some McDonald's. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. That's my dad. He's trying to fake something. But back to the story. We went there that day and we looked and fished for about, I don't know, we went there about 7:30, 8:30, something like that when we got there. And man, we was fishing till like 12 o'clock. And we got bites, man. My dad had one of them quick releases on his pole. That way he can just hook his hook on there and put a worm on there and cast it out there. And we're using Canadian night crawlers. And he had one hell of a bite, man. I'm sitting there pulling it back as hard as I could. And I swear to God, man, that fish is so goddamn big. He literally bent that crickleys out. Like, bent it out. Like, straight out. And took the hook with it and everything. It was crazy, man. So, I mean, it's just crazy. Like, I'd be sitting there and I would get a bite. I'd see my bob go up and down like this and I'd shoot down real quick. As soon as I went to go pull it up, nut was there. And I was like, it must be the turtles that fuck with me. Because there's all kinds of turtles and ducks and everything down there. And man, I about had one. But, you know, whatever happens, happens. But we're either gonna go to the park, fish out there today, or we're either going to Kentucky River to go catch some white perch. Which last time I was down there, I caught 2 white perch, and I don't like eating them. I think they're nasty. So, I mean, some people might eat white perch, some people might eat white perch. I mean, I'll eat them if I have to, but if I don't have to, hell no. I'll rather eat fucking fried chicken. Or deer. But, yeah, man, it's like, I don't know, we've been fishing for the past weeks straight. And just, I mean, past couple weeks we've been catching so many catfish, man, out there at that pond. And, I caught a bass out there the day before we caught them 4 catfish. And, he was pushing about 14 and a half, 15 inches, something like that. Maybe about that long. That's about it, but I mean, I like fishing and everything. It's just fun. It's a good get up activity for you and your dad to have. And I'm telling you right now, dads, everybody that's watching this, you don't take your boys fishing, there's something fucking wrong with you. Because I'm straight up. I'm fucking, whenever I have my kids, they're gonna be going fishing, hunting. They're gonna have a good life, man. I mean, I've had a shitty life, and I don't want other people to have a shitty life. I ain't gonna tell you about it, but now all my life's straightened out. So, I'm telling you right now, dads, y'all don't get up and do stuff with your dad. They're gonna be one of them obesity fat fucks that don't do shit, sit in the house playing fucking Xbox all goddamn day. Alright? I weigh 98.2 pounds, man. 98.2